Hi there, welcome back to Kitchen Search. I'm Laura, and today we'll explore the second step of our seamless three-step process to create your dream kitchen, the Dream Kitchen Blueprint. 1. Dedicated designer. After your kitchen planning visit, a dedicated designer is assigned to your project. This designer will guide you through the entire process, ensuring a personalized and smooth experience. 2. Initial 3D design draft. Within 1 to 3 business days, you'll receive a free 3D draft of your kitchen design. This initial draft provides a realistic visualization of your dream kitchen, helping you make informed decisions. 3. Selection process. During your showroom appointment, you'll have the opportunity to choose cabinet styles and finishes. We offer a wide variety of options from over 10 manufacturers. Select countertops, explore samples of granite, quartz, and more. Pick hardware and lighting, discover a range of hardware options and under-cabinet lighting. Select sinks and organizers, choose from different sink types and various kitchen organizers like pull-out trash cans and Lazy Susans. 4. Showroom experience. Our showroom features 6 kitchen displays and 1 closet display, allowing you to get hands-on experience with various kitchen organizers. This interactive experience helps you make educated decisions about your kitchen design. 5. Certified installation. We offer licensed and insured certified installers who provide top-notch installation services with a 1-year warranty. This ensures your kitchen is installed to the highest standards. 6. Special Appliance Program. Through our partnership with Gerhardt's Appliances, you can access special pricing and financing options for appliances. This program makes it easier to equip your kitchen with the best appliances available. 7. 0% financing available. Qualified customers can take advantage of 0% financing for their kitchen project, making it more affordable to achieve your dream kitchen. 8. 120% satisfaction guarantee. We stand by our commitment to excellence with a 120% satisfaction guarantee. Our family-owned business has over 10 years of experience, and we're dedicated to providing top-notch service and support. That's our second step, the Dream Kitchen Blueprint. This step ensures you get a customized, professional design tailored to your needs. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover Step 3, Post-Sale Excellence. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Kitchen Search, we make kitchen remodeling simple, professional, and fun.